I go through periods of belonging and not belonging with my friends. It was a little bit easier for them to match the beauty standards that I used to see a lot of. Even when I go and visit India, I see a lot of ads for women trying to lighten their skin or featuring lighter skinned women. It kind of made me feel a little bit like I was left out or something about me wasn't quite right. Being a little bit darker just wasn't good enough somehow. I know that back in high school, it was kind of difficult for me to find my foundation. There just were limited options. And then Fenty Beauty came out and I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this. This is great. So I've been with Sephora for a little bit less than a year. I get a lot of people of color, men, I get women. I would say fragrance is possibly the most diverse department. I experienced a stricter Indian cultural background because my parents grew up in India. They kind of brought that strong tradition with them, and so there is, I guess, kind of a conservative feel to beauty and everything. More recently, I started getting more yes, I love my beautiful dark skin through what I wear and a lot of my makeup. What I'm wearing, it's a lot kind of bright color, stuff that really complements my skin. I'm finally coming to that balance between traditional Indian culture and me.